In this episode, you will see David destroying half of the living room ceiling and finding unwanted visitors in our ceiling. As you may see, we did a big mistake. We bought hammocks and I was already sleeping in them when David woke me up because I forgot that I was sleeping and I was supposed to do something.
What were you supposed to do?
I was supposed to cut this, there we put the other one, so we have two. First of all, we'll have two. And I need to cut this one, the tree branches that are sticking out to give them to the goats. But I was waiting for David to come. I was like this, and I fell asleep. Very nice, it was very nice sleep. It's like a nice breeze. Oh, it's so nice. And a mosquito bited me. Look at this. Oh my god, these mosquitoes. We need to put something all around our field. So before we go to our actual inside work, we need to do outside work, which is we need to clean up all of that so we can actually sit and not be itchy. I'm gonna go clean up. And let me show you how David scared me. He came up to me like this. And I got scared.
Okay.
Okay, so you're gonna trim her?
Yeah, I need to take them away.
Yeah, so they don't get dirty already. We don't even have like an hour out here. So that's how we put them, by the way. We attach them here with this one just once and with this one. Wait, this one here. Yeah.
Each of these hooks can hold 560 kilos
And this one
360.
Yeah, okay. But more than enough. And they have a buggy.
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna put them on the table. I'm gonna bring you the other one.
Okay, Baba. Got this one. That one that sticks out, but this one all the way to the ground as much as you want, so I don't destroy my trimmer. And then just around here, all those annoying ones.
Okay, then swap. That, give me that.
Okay. So we cut some trees down.
Some branches.
They're bothering the hummock, and we just don't need small trees growing everywhere. It's just like a mess. So let's bring these to the goats.
Because they are crazy for that. They already know that it's coming. Come, come, come. Yesterday we finished the windows and you can see they have dried already in a pretty good way, I think. We're gonna let them dry till tonight and tomorrow morning we're gonna put them in. We actually wanted to rip the ceiling yesterday, but we wanted to make sure that our goat is okay. She's doing good, and she was doing good. Yesterday she was still acting a bit weird, but not too weird. So now she's perfectly fine, I think. She's eating up there. Perfect, she's eating leaves. So today we can start work again. And we're still gonna monitor her, see that she's completely okay. But yeah, let's get started with a dirty job that I hate. Not the window, the window's an easy job. This one is a nasty. I already feel everything tangled like me. And David needs to do it, so it's even worse, not me. And he's distracting me non-stop.
I'm standing still, I'm not doing anything. This is just the force of the humanity. Force
of the man?
No, it's just for, how's it called? Magnetic fields are doing this. Of the
yeah, that's why we don't have internet, right? Because the poles are switching.
Yeah, look.
Yeah, you're not doing anything, right?
It's
Go,
me,
take
Bobby, it's pulling me.
Take your tool.
Ella, let's go. Shower. Ah! Stop.
You need to be careful there. David, you need to be careful this way. Oh my god.
Stop. And look at all the caca falling. Caca.
Oh, it's like a portal, like a door. You can close it and open it.
Yeah, look. Closed.
Open it now.
Yeah, let's open the hell world. Look what's coming out. Caca.
And that's why we left the window as a hole.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, I don't like that. I don't know why I'm here. I really don't like this. Ay, ay, ay.
I go bye-bye. By bugs or something. Oh, with the nails.
Come here.
It's a baby mouse.
Oh my god.
It has its eyes closed still.
Evie killed her mommy. Oh.
I don't know if it's okay inside. It fell all the way down, you know.
Made her a boxing with the soda.
Made her? Did you show who it was?
Yeah.
Oh, you did, yeah?
Yeah. And I have a box with 2 holes I made now.
She doesn't want to go off my hand, so. There's a lot more babies up there.
Yeah.
I don't want them to fall because some of them are running around.
We thought it's a bigger one, but I think it's just stressing out. I don't know.
Uh-oh.
They're moving?
Coming close to the edge. Baby. I see them, yeah.
How many?
2. Oh. Got one of them.
Yeah?
I don't like them falling.
It's okay, the other one fall higher. And it's okay, I think.
3.
3? Did you got all 3 of them? 4?
Yeah. Yeah, that's our exhibit. Okay, back to work after having fun with some mouses.
For an hour?
Yeah, we're just looking at them while they're sleeping and fighting. Very fun.
I hope one of them survives, because the one that fall down.
Oh, one of them survives out of all?
No, like, no,
I hope the one that fell
Yeah,
down
exactly.
survives. Because one of them fell down, you know, the 2 meters 50.
the other ones you
That's
just...
Yeah, the other
smushed it
ones I
down.
just took in the box and they're perfectly fine, but... Yeah, let's get back to
Let's
the shower.
and hope we don't get any mouse shower.
Mouse shower?
Yeah, like baby mouses.
Good that I didn't start with this wood. Oh, that's not possible. So what they have done here is, here's the end of the warm wall, which is heating up with the heat. It's end here, and they have bricked up this one, which traps in the ceiling for me, so I cannot get the wood out.
Why would you do that?
This whole top layer.
But I don't know why. Would you do it for beauty, maybe? I don't know.
Yeah, it'll be all flush. I think it looks
Okay.
nicer like this.
Yeah. Has a bit more character.
I have done that much. Yeah. It's been a battle. I have some left on that
Yeah.
side.
Tiny, less than half.
But I'll do first all the thingies down.
Makes
Yeah.
sense.
Oh my god, look how fat this wood is.
It's like 1/3 is left.
I like it. So yeah,
Okay, let's go upstairs.
let's get started.
We have already started.
Yeah. Pom pom.
That's scary.
Bobby, just because it makes noises doesn't mean
It's like you open up the door, boo!
this is normal life for here. I think to put a dining table here, but hanging one down into the living room.
Oh, that would be actually nice.
Yeah.
Oh, that is some nice idea.
Yeah, it's much easier than putting legs on the table. We could just hang it with 4 strings from 2 beams. And
That is
living-
actually pretty smart, pretty cool.
Yeah.
Don't tell.
Oh, fell apart.
This one got stuck.
I don't want to throw a brick.
No, don't throw a brick.
That'll be so much fun. Lemmy little puppy. Hey, Mr. Hellas. Humaninos.
Wait.
My ass was
Really?
stuck. My leg is in my pee. So I saw the mommy mouse running around looking for kids. She was panicking a bit. And I think I'm gonna put it somewhere in so she can go to them and they can live safely into this cup. You can always come and monitor them.
But don't you need to open it?
Yeah, I do. But I'm scared they will get out.
Yeah, because they're on the very entrance.
It's gonna be a big pile. So we're building up the fire for the 24th.
Which is not gonna be for us on the 24th.
Yeah, it's gonna be a bit later because we're waiting for Desmond's parents. So this is like a tradition in the 24th Midsummer Festival to burn a big fire.
So we're building it up already.
Slowly, with all the wood that is not usable for firewood or for anything else. It's just
Rotten wood.
it's rotten wood. It's no good for anything.
Yeah.
Except this. Perfect for this.
As you can see, it's a bit later, much later. We don't know if the mouse mommy went there. We set up a camera, but it died. So I don't know if she actually went there. We're gonna see in the footage. Maybe you have seen it or not. David cleaned up that far, 1.5 out of 4. But most of the whole thing. We actually wanted to be done with this dirty job. But you cannot do anything about your energy. If you don't have energy and power, you cannot do it. He has already started cleaning up here. And I did the inside. I hate walking in this one. I think there's tiny mouse in there. I have finished this wall and this one. This was a mess to go, because as you can see, it's just like don't know why is it like that. No idea. So we want to go shower because it's so disgusting. This here, my hair is full. I don't know if you can see anything, but I can feel so much. Can you see something?
Don't think so.
But if you would put your hands through my hair, there's like a sand castle in here. It's like I've played with sand in the beach. But in the truth, I was just cleaning walls. You know what we could show them? Wait. So what we have discovered is, because we don't have that much water and we're gonna be just showering for hours, so we just need to be fast in our shower if we want to keep showering. Just suck all the foams out. It's pretty satisfying. It works. I've opened it so it's more effective. I guess that's gonna make lots of my hair.
It's okay, you're gonna wash them.
I will wash them anyway. But I just want to get all the stones out of my hair. So now we're gonna shower. Go take the walk. Go walk for goats. The goats for a walk. Eat, sleep, wave, repeat. Right? So hope you enjoyed, and we're gonna see you tomorrow. in our video. I'm gonna keep you updated on the mouse, on the house, you know, daily things. Bye!